Kosa, yeah. Yes.
Yes. Bunduki kubwa. I think that's how we should do and stay with the peace. Nchi kati kuacha mambo mingi na kuweka mbaya. Because I've seen so many students from that place, and they are very concerned with what is happening. Kwa sasa I'm naked. Niko namna hiyo mnaniona, lakini you are my security. The people are my security. So I'm staying with the people. I have never even used that gun for anything or anywhere. So it is not very important even to have it. First security is God.
Na makosa aliyofanya pengine aliyosema kwamba ameweza kusababisha kunyang'anya bunduki ni yapi?
Ati mimi nilisema deputy president alifukuzwa, alitolewa vitu nyumba yake Mombasa. But this was in the paper and it has been in the people all the time. So it is not an offense, it is witch hunting. Witch hunting. Now I beg Kenyans and I beg our president, the way these things are going, it's going to divide Kenyans in a very bad way. It's not good. Because when we start witch hunting, for something which has been in the paper, for me to comment only, it has been an issue, I think it's not good. And I hope you are going to be with me. Wherever I'm going, munimulike, munisaidie, na mchunguze ni kitu gani hii inaendelea. And it is all over the Kenya. It's not only me, it is many people. And now it's dividing people. The BBI came to put people together. But I'm shocked. Is it putting people together? Or it's dividing people together? It's dividing people. We should be friendly when we are going for BBI. Nobody have refused the BBI. We have said we are okay. And we had agreed. The BBI, which was launched by the president in Nairobi, we are ready. We have no problem and we are supporting it. And we are going to show BBI, even as to say, that is the way. It has many things which are good. Lakini hatutaki BBI ile ya ukora, tunataka ile ilikuwa launched. Na tunataka mkuwe na document muso. The way the president is saying. Lakini isi divide sisi. Na inaomba mkuwe pia na amani, msiingie kwa shida nyingi. Tusifurugane, kama sasa mimi nimemaliza, muwe peaceful. You know, I was not given any condition, but in me, I know as politics, maybe I am identified as somebody who is working with the DP. But I don't see any offense working with the DP, because what we are saying, it is the president and the DP until 2022. That's what we are saying, because we have that agreement. So we stand with that. Then after 2022, people can go where they want, and they can also do other politics. So there's no condition, but I know they want me to slow down on maybe defending the people. But I'll still continue. No, I have just returned my pistol and my shotgun. As you know, I have a farm. And you heard the other time when we were saying there's people who had come in my farm. Those are the things I've been defending. But now they can access my farm, they can access me. But I will say, if you don't see, if you miss me, you know people who have done that. They've asked for security, they've asked for my ammunition. So don't look for somebody else if I will not be there tomorrow. You know it is the government which have done that.
Sawa sawa. Na sisi kama wanafunzi wa Nakuru, we are against that thing. Na tunasimama na viongozi wetu. Kama you want to persecute them for political reason, that one is a no. It is a democratic society and everybody has the democratic right to support who or he or whoever they feel it is okay with them. Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, ra! Ra! Comrades, ria! Ria! Kimani, power! Power! Kimani, ria! Ria! Ruto, power! Power! Raya.
And what we are telling the people, and we are telling the government, that we are not crazy, we are not mad. We know that Kimani Gunjiri is a man of the people. So as we deal with the man of the people, the sovereign power belongs to the people. We are going to defend him from foot, from his home, wherever he goes, we shall go with him. Comrades, power! 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 Power!
And as comrades, we are going to stand with those people who are helping us. Through Kimani Konjiri, we know some comrades who are learning in universities. Now, instead of him being supported by others, is being fighted. Is that what we are going to do as comrades? Yeah. We will do as comrades to ensure that our leaders who support us in education are doing what? Are protected. Yes.